The name says it all. Waterview Lane in Warren's Twisted section offers a windswept lifestyle surrounded by the beauty of Mount Hope Bay. 8 residents-only deeded water access points let you enjoy the best of the state's coastal charms. In addition to proximity to the water, a lifestyle brimming with amenities awaits with this lovely wooded property as the setting for a soon-to-be-built home. You'll be barely moments to the amazing Audubon Wildlife Refuge and close to the Twisted Point Community Club, a dues-based organization offering members private tennis, basketball, and pickleball courts, a playground, a community garden, a swimming area, and so much more. Greater Warren gives you short drives to seaside shopping and dining along Water Street. Explore the coast on wheels by traveling the glorious East Bay Bike Path. More convenient stores, boutiques, and shops are found on Main Street and Metacom Avenue. Head south to the cafes and shops minutes away in historic Bristol, home to the oldest continuous 4th of July parade in the country. For nightlife, arts, culture, and fine dining, reach Providence in less than 30 minutes. For more information, please call Lisa Raposa at area code 401-286-3861.